Om Namah Shivaya.
Om Namah Shivaya.
How is everyone?
Good. Super good.
Super tired. So I read a message from Swamiji, Swami Shivanandaji. Swamiji is chanting with the people, talking. 1st September 1949, Sri R.C. Banerjee, Calcutta. If you have no dispassion, if there is no strong aspiration, if there is no purity of heart, you will fail to attain God realization. Comfort, luxury, and sensual pleasures dull the mind. Jyoti.
Yesterday?
This is the same thing, right?
Yeah, it's the same one.
I did go with this last time. Incapacitate. Incapacitated for higher intellectual
Incapacitate. It's for higher intellectual and spiritual work. Therefore, shun comfort, shun comfort, luxury, and pleasures. Have a plain living and high thinking. Simple living and high thinking. Om Tat Sat Shivananda. Thank you, Jyoti. Thank you.
So what did you say?
You want to hear the story?
Yes.
Always?
Yes.
So, the story from one of the Upanishads. So, the Upanishads are always a dialogue between the Guru and the Shishyas. So, the Shishyas, they ask the question, and then on the question, the discussion start or the conversation. So, here, today's story is one of the major Upanishad is called the Katha Upanishad. Have you heard? Yes? No? Okay. If you know the story, I will not say.
Please say. We don't know this one.
We don't know.
Okay, all right. So, Katha means story. Okay, Upanishad means, Upanishad, the word is combination of three words. Upanishad. Upa means near, and Ni means close to or below. And Shad means sit or sat. And that means sitting very near, close to your Guru or below the Guru, sitting very devoted and for the spiritual knowledge. Okay? So here, one Brahmin, okay? So his name is Vajasravas, and he had a desire, and he wanted to attain heavenly place. So therefore, he was performing sacrifice, means it is called a yajna. It can be any yajna. So this sacrifice is, so many rituals is done, many priests are there, Brahmins are there, and at the end, he need to donate whatever he is possessing. So whatever the belonging, okay? So the wealth, cattle, whatever, he need to give a charity. And he had a son named Nachiketa. So Nachiketa makes fire, fearless or fire. Okay, and he is very small, maybe 4-year-old, 5-year-old, and so he was also watching or observing his father's action. So Vajasravas was donating all belongings, whatever, and he had a cows also. So he was donating the cows to the Brahmins. So the cows were very old and skinny, and so they could not give any fruits. So they are already at the end. Okay, they cannot drink or eat. So this action is wrong. Okay, so the intention is different and the action is different. So therefore, Nachiketa was observing and he was thinking, my father is doing a wrong action. So he will not get the right fruits of action. So therefore, how can I help him? And he is also belong to his father, right? So whatever is belong to his father need to give away. So therefore, Nachiketa was thinking, I'm also belong to him. So therefore, maybe I need to help him, or to whom he is going to give. And so then, curiosity, so he went to his father and he asked, to whom you are going to give me? And father did not pay attention to, and he was very busy with his work. And again, the boy asked, Nachiketa asked. Finally, father got upset. And in anger, he said, I'm going to give you to death. So Nachiketa thought, maybe I am among the good, so that among the disciples I may be good, among the disciples I may be wrong or bad. So maybe anyway, my father said, so I will do so according to his words. And so he decided to go to where is Lord Yama dwells. So there are three things. One is earth, one is heaven, one is hell, we say. It is called the Padalam. Okay, that is underworld. So there Lord Yama dwells. So after death, the soul goes to heaven. Okay, so there is a secretary of God keeping a record of every single person. So there he need to go, the soul need to go to get the judgment. Okay, so where to go to the higher or go to the lower. And from there, the assistant or secretary of God will decide. Okay, with the majority of merit, we go to the higher. With the majority of demerits, we go to the lower level to get the punishment. Both are temporary, okay? So when the punishment or the merit finish, then we come back again. So, and Nachiketa decided to go to Lord Yama. And Nachiketa went to the father and said, okay, I'm going. And then father realized, so he did a mistake. And he said, I was angry, so therefore I said, you don't need to go. So Nachiketa said, no, you had given your word. I need to go now. And Nachiketa went to Lord Yama's place. Lord Yama is god of death. Okay? So when Nachiketa went to hell or Padalam, so Lord Yama was not there. So Lord Yama was out of station. So he maybe went to pick up some soul. So therefore Nachiketa stood at the door of Lord Yama. And 3 nights, 3 days, so he stood at the door. And so his Lord Yama's assistants also came, and everyone came to welcome him inside. But Nachiketa got the message, Lord Yama is not there. So therefore Nachiketa said, I will wait here until he comes back. So he stood at the door and he didn't eat, he didn't drink, he didn't sleep. 3 days, 3 nights. So then after 3 days, Lord Yama came back and Lord Yama got the message from assistants. And so he was feeling very bad. And he went to Nachiketa and said, so you please welcome, because he is a Brahmin boy. When Brahmin come to your house as a guest, you need to welcome or receive him in a proper manner. Otherwise, Brahmin comes to your house means the fire is coming to your house. You need to welcome that person properly. Okay? So then Lord Yama invited him inside and offered him seat and washed his feet and fanned him and had offered food and everything. So then Lord Yama said, 3 nights, 3 days, you didn't eat, you didn't sleep, you didn't drink. So therefore, I offer you 3 boons. You can ask anything. Okay? And Nachiketa was very smart. So the first boon he asked, so he said, my father is doing this action, so he will not get the fruits of his action. Therefore, so don't punish my father. And also when I go back, my father should recognize me as his own son, not as a ghost. Okay, because he went to the hell and coming back. So therefore, and also he should be peaceful, no, not in anger. So Lord Yama said, okay, tada astu. So let it be. And then, so okay, now you can ask your second question. And Nachiketa asked, I heard people are talking in the heaven, so there is gods are in the, deities are in the heaven. They don't get old, they don't feel hunger, they don't feel thirsty, and they are enjoying in the heaven. What is the secret of getting heavenly place? So what is the rituals? What is the karma or action I need to do or the people need to do? So you teach me and I will teach to the people and everyone will get the benefit. So Lord Yama said, so every day 3 times people need to perform rituals, sacrifice or the fire rituals. In another Upanishad it is called Agnihotra. Okay, so here it is saying yajna. So one has to perform yajna. So morning what time? Brahma Muhurta. What is the Brahma Muhurta time? 3:30 to 6:30. What is too late? So it is a divine time, means God's time or time of Brahman or Brahma. Okay. So in the midday and also in the evening also one need to perform according to the rules given in the Vedas, in the scriptures. Okay. So that need to be followed. So that will be benefited for the person who is doing. For the next 7 generation will get the benefit. And said that also the rituals should be done by the instruction of the Guru or the Vedas and also by the parents, okay, father and mother. And also the person should do 3 duties. That is, one is study scriptures, and one the rituals, perform the rituals, and also the third one is charitable work. Do charitable work. Okay, this should be done, and this will lead to heaven. And the rituals, how the rituals is done, there is a method to do the rituals, and also how to organize the fire pit, and how many bricks need to be, what kind of bricks need to be. It is saying there is a 360 bricks need to be. Okay, and also there is a particular form for the fire pit, and that should be performed. And each brick is considered as a deity. Okay, and also the entire fire pit considered as a Vishnu. And also the when the rituals is performed, the priest or the doer should sit in the middle of the fire pit, and then there should be dry wood, not green or wet or okay, and it should be cut in a small piece so that will catch the fire, and it should be organized properly, not like any way. Okay, there is a rules to keep the firewood. Then in the left side and right side there is a assistance of Agni or fire sitting. And when you offer the things into the fire, so they will carry our offering or our prayer to the board. Okay. And when you say swaha, swaha means please accept. Okay, it should not be like this. It should be like this, humble way offered. And the fire should lit first, and also the fire should burn properly. Fire has a 7 tongue. Okay, Sanskrit words I'm not saying. So the first one is black, and second is smoky, and third is it is saying terrible, and the fourth one is saying moving fast like a mind. So then sparkling, then it has a foams, different foams are there. So when you lit the fire, it should burn properly, and it should not be smoke, there should not be smoke, and there should not be blackish. So then it is not done properly. So it should be growing and sparkling and moving, dancing. It should be like that, and so we can see the foams sometime. Okay, so the fire should be done like that. So then this fire will, these rituals will lead you to heaven. And so it is asked by Nachiketa, therefore from now onwards, this fire will be known by your name, Nachiketa fire. So everybody is doing the rituals one time, not 3 times. That will lead to heaven. Okay. So whatever Lord Yama said to Nachiketa, Nachiketa repeated as it is, and Lord Yama was pleased and very happy. And so out of happiness, he removed one garland or necklace from his neck and gifted to Nachiketa. Okay. So then Lord Yama asked, what is your third boon? And Nachiketa asked, there are people are saying after death of a person there is something remains, or sometimes people say something remains, and sometimes people say something goes away. What is that? So I need to know. You are the right person to teach me. So you teach me. He is asking what happened to the soul after death. So now Lord Yama said, no, I will not tell you. So you asked 2 boon, I had given you the answer. This is too much you are asking. I will offer you whatever you want. So Lord Yama was trying to, one way he was trying to test him, whether he is a right adhikari, right student, or right disciple, or right seeker. And another way, he was trying to divert his mind, tempting his mind with offering gold, wealth, elephant, horse, properties, land, so many things, and beautiful women, and everything. Nachiketa saw, and Nachiketa said, all this will bring me pain, and all this will be destroyed one day. I don't need all these things. So, Lord Yama, you cannot trick me. So, I want to know the knowledge of the soul. So therefore, you teach me. And many way, Lord Yama tested him. Finally, he understood Nachiketa is a serious seeker. So therefore, then he started to explain about Atman and Brahman. So what is Atman? Huh? Atman is the eternal truth or universal truth, and Atman is the reflection of Brahman in the body, mind, senses. So birthless, deathless, endless, beginningless, nameless, formless, not homeless. Okay, it is eternal. So many details Lord Yama had given. Okay, and Nachiketa was very happy, and he received the knowledge of Brahman or Atman, and then he came back to earth. So then he taught to people, and also he went to the jungle forest, and he wanted to realize it, and he got realized. Okay, so this is the story. Good or bad? And Upanishad is not too heavy. There are philosophical side is there, but it is easy to understand because there is always question and there is answer. It is only conversation. It is a dialogue between. Okay, so therefore, don't get scared when you hear the name Upanishad. Okay, study Upanishad. Alright? Okay, so we conclude.